there are questions arising from 1911 users. Those 1911 users that have 9mm calibers on them, if they can use 38 Super magazine on a 9mm 1911. So in this video, I'm going to explain the difference between the 38 Super and the 9mm, and if indeed it can be used on a 1911 pistol. So as you can see here, they look almost the same. They look almost the same. This is the 38 Super magazine and this is the 9mm magazine. They look similar, very similar, with the slight difference externally. The difference are the markings. So this one is marked 9mm, the other one is marked 38S, which means 38 Super. But they're both made in Italy because these are Mec-Gars. The difference between the two is that another difference externally is that the 9mm magazine has indentations, 3 indentations actually, while the 38 Super has no indentation. It's just flat, just like regular magazine. Also, reason for that indentation is because there is an insert. There it is. There's an insert for the 9mm magazine, and the 38 Super magazine has no insert. See? The purpose of the insert is to move the ammunition a few millimeters forward. I think it's 1 or 2 millimeter forward, 1 or 2 millimeters forward, so that it will catch the feed ramp early. See? That's the difference. 9mm on the left and 38 Super magazine on the right. So that's the difference. But as I've said before, I've been using these two magazines, especially the 38 Super. I've been using it interchangeably, and I don't have any problem with this 38 Super magazine. I actually have 3 of these, and I've been using them, and there are no misspeeds with this. They fit really well on the 9mm 1911 pistol. They fit really well, just the same. So the difference is only externally, the indentation, and internally, the insert. Okay? So to sum this up, you can use a 38 Super magazine in your 9mm 1911 pistol. Okay? No problem.